Hello. This video will show you how to use the Business Source Premier database to conduct research for your marketing plan. First, log into My Monroe. When you're logged in, you'll see your information here. Once you're logged in, you'll see the icon Library Resources. Click on Library Resources. Then scroll down and click on Databases. From this database list, select Business Source Premier. So you can use this database to find many different resources that can be helpful for your marketing plan. One example is to use this database to find SWOT analyses of major competitors for your own organization in order to, or in the industry that your organization operates, in order to find SWOT analyses on those organizations and use those analyses to help conduct your own analysis of your organization. First, click on full text. Whenever you have the full text option, we recommend that you use that so that you retrieve results that are going to be full articles or reports and not necessarily just a summary. Then in the search box, add, for example, a major competitor in to your organization or in the industry in which your organization operates. In this case, I'm developing a marketing plan for an organization that operates in the coffee manufacturing industry. Therefore, I'm going to look up one of the major competitors, Starbucks. I'll type in the organization and click on search. Then on the left-hand side of the screen, I can limit my search in a couple of ways. First, I'll want to limit my search to look at more recent results, let's say within the last 10 years. I'll update the date in the From section of the publication field and click on Enter or Return on my keyboard. That will update my results. Also, under Source Type, I'm going to click on Show More. When I click on Show More, I see that I have the ability to limit my search to just SWOT analyses. I'll click on the checkbox next to SWOT analyses and then click on Update. Then I'm going to look for the most current SWOT analyses. So I see April 2021, June 2021, July 2021. That looks like the most current analyses available. So let me click on that. Over here, I can open up the PDF full text of the analyses. Let me click on that. If I scroll down, I'll see first an overview of the SWOT analyses. And then as I scroll down, I'll see more specific information about each of these areas identified under each of these categories. So what I want to do is look at the different strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats identified for this major competitor in the industry in which my company operates. And then I want to let that information inform my own SWOT analysis of my organization. Additionally, I might find information that would help me identify how to limit my market. How can I identify my target market? How can I segment the market into different sections? So I might identify additional information that can be helpful as well. So whenever I look at a source, I want to make sure that I get a good sense of how it might be helpful to my marketing plan, not just the section of the marketing plan that I'm working on. If I think that this analysis will be helpful to me, then I want to go ahead and hold on to it. So I have a couple of different options. I could download it to my computer. I could print it. I could email it to myself. So I have a couple of different options here. And the reason why I want to hold on to this is that I don't want to waste my time later trying to find this article over and over again. I don't want to hold on to the web address when I'm using a database because this web address won't necessarily work again. I want to use one of these options, download, printing, email, in order to make sure that I can find this resource again easily and readily as I'm working on my marketing plan throughout the semester. Additionally, I want to use the cite option in order to gather information for creating my references on the last page of my marketing plan or at the end of my marketing plan. So here we have an example of what the SWOT analysis reference might look like in my references section of my marketing plan. Now, the references are computer generated, so I may need to make some updates, but in general, it's going to be helpful in getting me started in developing my reference. So I want to look at, for the APA 7th edition, example of what the reference could look like. I want to copy that and maybe save it in a Word document so that, again, it's getting me started, helping me not to waste time later developing my references page of my marketing plan. This video just shows you a couple of ideas of how you can use the Business Source Premier database. There are many different ways you can use it, but this is one idea of how you can use it in order to gather some information for your marketing plan.